The modern lifestyle is all about doing more with less. Raven is an Android app made just for that. Chat with friends, lend and borrow money from those you trust, find places to visit, and share cab rides with friends all in one single app.
This screen shows your active conversations with your contacts. You can always start a conversation with a new contact by clicking on the plus icon in the app bar. If the contact is registered on the app, a chat icon shows up next to them. Let's chat. The message shows up in real time, and the read receipts let you know if the other person has read your message or not. The timer icon allows you to invite your contact to a coffee break session. An invite is sent which can either be accepted or declined. Here my friend has declined the invitation. Status of the invitation is shown above the bubble. Well, let's send another invitation. Accepting the invite begins a 10-minute chat session with a timer to indicate the time remaining. The session ends automatically after the 10 minutes mark or when one of the user exits, and the messages are immediately deleted.
Before diving into tickets and transactions, let's add some context to the close friends list. Remember, your tickets are only visible to your close friends. Sweet. Tickets allow you to raise small amounts of money from people you trust. Your currently active tickets show up in the top half of the screen. Clicking on the add icons allows you to create a new ticket. Let's create a new ticket to raise money for paying this month's rent. Contributions to this ticket show up here. Looks like I received some contributions. Notice the progress bar has been updated. Any amount received by these tickets goes directly to your Rapid wallet, the current balance for which can be seen right here. Let's delete this ticket by swiping up, as I do not require money for it anymore. When a ticket's goal is reached, it is closed automatically and is no longer visible to your close friends. Closed tickets show up here. Hey, looks like Nizan has added me to his close friends list. Let's send them some money. Contributing to a friend's ticket is pretty straightforward. Even though I have enough money, let's add some more. We have used Rapid's Create Customer API and Add Payment Method API, which allows us to save payment methods. I have a payment method saved already and it shows up here. This functionality is powered by Rapid Checkout. Now let's send that money to Mizan's ticket. It's that simple.
The next feature of Raven is Places. Here you can see your current location on a map. Let's search for some places nearby. I actually fancy some pizza right now. This shows me a list of all Pizza Hut joints near me, sorted by distance from me, along with the ratings, opening hours, and even actual images. Clicking on the directions button shows you the fastest route to get to this particular place. From here, you can either book a cab for yourself or ride with your close friends. Let's go ahead and choose the group ride option. Here you can choose one or more of your close friends to ride with. When you're done, clicking on this check mark initiates the group ride feature. An invitation is sent to the people you're riding with, a cab is booked for you, and a ticket is automatically created for contributing towards the cab fare. This ticket is only visible to the friends you shared the ride with. The invite appears in their conversation too. Clicking on Write Details shows you the detailed route on a map and the right ticket which was created for you. These friends can now start contributing to this ticket. We weren't able to get access to any API from a known cab service provider, but actual cab booking features can be made possible by a full API integration. Booking a cab and splitting the bill between your friends has never been easier. You can also see all the past cab rides you shared with your friend by clicking on the cab icon, along with date, destination, and cab fare.
Raising tickets is not the only way to send and receive money from your contacts. You can also perform two-party transactions simply by going to the contacts chat and tapping on the Add button in the app bar. Simply specify the reason and the amount, and once you're ready, click on the Send Money button. The money has been sent and your transaction shows up in the bottom half of the screen. This shows all the transactions between you and this contact. You can also see all your transactions by navigating to the transaction screen. Here you can see all of your transactions and the reason, along with the amount and the date.